There we go, he almost ditched her. Oh man, he's right behind him. He's way out there. Oh, he ditched her, both of them. There we go, it's a fight, it's a fight. Oh shit. Here comes Patty. Oh, he fucking goosed her 2 in a row. Oh, he's up in the cabbage. Here comes Patty. Patty's in for it. Patty's coming. Come on, Brown. He's still stuck in the rhubarb. Oh, he's gonna get her going. He's got her going. She's got some making up to do. Here we go. Patty's just gonna wheelie his way around. So he's up still over here. That's our track guy. Built the track for us. Oh, up in the cabbage. Oh yeah, Patty's just giving her. Oh, he winked her. Patty's got a nice drift. Oh yeah, right up the bank. Just taking it. Oh, he fucking 180'd her. 180'd her into the cabbage. Oh shit. Well, I guess that's the end of the race. Here he comes. He's in the cabbage. He's way up there. Way up there. Oh, he's got her going now, right through the bush. Right fucking through it. He's going for it. Oh yeah, right in there. Maybe we should go give him a hand.